We are AIRFILL Technologies, America's leading provider of environmentally friendly and protective packaging solutions. Are you looking for a shipping solution that safely consolidates multiple electronic devices into a single, cost-effective package? Introducing our Charter Kit collection, inspired by the efficiency of a charter bus. Just as a charter bus transports multiple passengers, our Charter Multi-Pack Kits are designed to safely ship multiple electronic devices in one package. Let's explore what makes the Charter Multi-Packs America's favorite choice for product protection. We offer a range of charter solutions tailored to meet your specific device shipping needs. Whether you're transporting smartphones, hard drives, tablets, Chromebooks, or laptops, we have the right charter to ensure secure and efficient delivery. Our charter kits feature a collapsible partition designed to maximize efficiency and minimize storage space requirements. Our charter kits are engineered to provide maximum protection during transit. Each kit features our Signature AIRFILL Protection, designed to shield your products from bumps, drops, and impact-related damage. Additionally, the integrated partition system ensures each item remains individually secured, minimizing movement and reducing the risk of damage. Our AIRFILL charter kits are the ideal solution for technology asset recovery companies, ITAD providers, OEMs, educational institutions, managed service providers, MSPs, corporate IT departments, e-waste collectors, and logistics and fulfillment centers. Don't wait. Start protecting your products with confidence and saving on every shipment. Let AIRFILL Technologies be your trusted packaging partner today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.